Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Special. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss top reasons for blue smoke from exhaust. Blue smoke is a clear sign telling your car engine is burning oil. Blue smoke can also be caused by oil dripping onto hot engine parts. If you notice blue smoke coming from your vehicle's exhaust, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Causes of blue smoke from the exhaust. 1. Burning oil. The most common reason for blue smoke is the burning of engine oil. This can occur due to worn piston rings, worn valve seals, or a damaged cylinder wall. When oil enters the combustion chamber, it burns and produces blue smoke. 2. Worn piston rings. Piston rings are designed to keep the engine oil where it belongs in the combustion chamber. If the piston rings are worn or damaged, they can allow oil to pass into the combustion chamber. When the oil enters the combustion chamber, it gets burned along with the fuel, leading to blue smoke. 3. Worn valve seals. Valve seals prevent oil from entering the combustion chamber. If these seals become worn or damaged, oil can seep into the chamber and result in blue smoke during combustion. 4. Stuck PCV valve. The PCV valve is responsible for releasing the pressure that builds up in the oil pan. When the PCV valve is stuck, oil mixes with air and other gases. Because the intake manifold is also connected to the air filter, it can lead to blue smoke. 5. Turbocharger issues. In turbocharged engines, blue smoke may indicate problems with the turbocharger, such as damaged seals or bearings. Oil can be forced into the exhaust system, causing blue smoke to emerge from the tailpipe. 6. Overfilling oil. Adding too much oil to the engine can result in excessive oil consumption, leading to blue smoke. Therefore, ensure that the oil level is within the recommended range on the dipstick. 7. Blown head gasket. Blown head gaskets are famous for leaking excess oil onto hot surfaces. A blown head gasket can allow coolant to mix with oil or enter the combustion chamber, causing blue smoke. 8. Incorrect oil type. Using the wrong type of oil for your engine can also lead to increased oil consumption and potentially blue smoke. 9. Excessive idling. Extended idling can cause oil to accumulate in the combustion chamber. This issue results in blue smoke when you accelerate.